How to change language on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right. Then, scroll down and click on My App. After you click on My App, click on Language in here. Now you'll find different language available. Select the language you prefer. After you do that, your language will be changed. Press on Change, and it will take some time to load. It will reload the app and you will find it in a different language. This is how to change language on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.